Hello, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find friends that you can start to follow. So for this module I'm having to show you in one of my other accounts, because if you remember, the account that I've just set up is a brand new account, but I haven't linked it to Twitter and Facebook because I've already got an account that's linked to those. So here we are. Here you can see in this account I've actually linked up with my Twitter and Facebook. So this is if you've already got a Twitter and Facebook. This is how you can, use the same followers and friends and actually bring them over to Pinterest. So here we are up at the top here, and we're going to click on Find Friends. And again, here we are. See, we can click on these are friends from Facebook, and it allows us to have a look at all of our friends that already have a Pinterest account. So we can say, we could click on Sarah here, go and have a look over at Sarah's boards, and it may be that we take a look at them and we think, yes, I like all of those topics, all of those boards. I'm going to click follow all, and it's as simple as following all. Or you could say, actually, I'm just interested in one or two of them, so I'm just going to select the ones that I actually want to follow. So it's up to you, and it's as simple as that to actually follow somebody from your Facebook, your existing network of people who already now have a Pinterest account, and you're actually following them. The same with Twitter. Here we are. Same with Twitter. We click on Twitter and it will bring up your Twitter followers that actually have a Pinterest account. And it's brilliant because you can actually go and have a look here, and as I said, you can click on their name, which allows you to go and have a look and see what the boards are all about. So you can click follow all, or you could just choose one of the boards. That's a really, really great way of starting to build your followers. And this is all about doing it first. You need to go out first and be proactive and start following people first. And so this is what we need to do, being able to find those people there to follow. Now, what happens if you haven't got a Twitter or Facebook account, so you haven't got any existing people? Well, you could go to Google, and you could just type in somebody that you perhaps know or know about in your niche or your industry, and see if they've got a Pinterest account. Let's see this one here, and you could click on them from that way. So you could either follow all of the boards or just follow one or two. Obviously this is Tracy's, so I follow all of them, but that's another way that you can just go to Google and find somebody in your industry that you would perhaps like to follow. You may have somebody that you know has a blog, and that you can then start to follow them. Now, another way is, once you've got a couple of people that you can follow, what you can actually do is this is a kind of like a sneaky way of doing it, is you can go and see who that person is following. We can see here with Tracy here following 344, and she's got 449 people following her board. So if we click on the followers, we know that people are interested in this topic, this these are women in business. So again, it's finding somebody in your niche who's influential, who already has a following, and then we're going to go and see who's following them, and then we can start following them as well. So here, let's have a look at Maddie here. We can then say, yes, actually this is really interesting boards. They're really great, the kind of things I'm really interested in, and I'm going to follow them. So again, you just click follow. And as I said, this really is all about having you're doing the work first. You're going out and reaching out to people, following them, and so that then they will reciprocate and follow you back. So what happens now is, once you start to follow people, come back here to your settings and look at your boards. You can see here how many people are following you and how many people you are following. So that's another really good way. One other way up here, you can just come up into the search bar up here in the top, and you can click on different people here, search for different people, and if you're following them, you can start to either unfollow them or follow certain boards, but having a look up here, again, somebody in your industry, somebody in your niche that you could then go and have a look and see whether they've actually got a Pinterest board. If they have, you can follow them and then go and have a look at their followers to see if they can, and you can start following them as well. It's a bit like playing tag, but it means that you can find people who are interested in your overall theme and topic. So that's just a few ways that you can find influential people on your to start following, and it's really a question of just building those up. You need to start having obviously some boards and some interesting pins so that when people then come back over to you, you've got something there that you've populated and it's some interesting images and pins there for them. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to go over and create a board and start pinning. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.